Hey business leaders, are you ready to revolutionize your business strategies? Welcome back to your AI Guru JE. We're thrilled to have you here. I'm Ram Naresh Char, your AI expert and guide to the latest in AI and technology. Together, we'll explore groundbreaking innovations. The world of business is changing faster than ever before, and if you're not leveraging the power of AI, you're falling behind. It's time to catch up and stay ahead. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. The top 10 AI tools for business in 2024 that will transform your business operations and drive growth like never before. These tools are game changers. So, buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive right in. This is going to be an insightful journey. First on our list is Salesforce Einstein, the AI-powered CRM that takes customer relationship management to a whole new level. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Imagine having a tool that not only manages your customer data, but also understands it, analyzes it, and provides you with deep insights. It uses this data to deliver highly personalized experiences. Salesforce Einstein automates routine tasks, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business and nurturing customer relationships. It predicts trends and identifies opportunities, helping you stay ahead of the competition. This gives you a glimpse into the future of your business, allowing you to plan strategically. With actionable insights derived from your data, you can make smarter decisions. Einstein helps you make informed decisions that drive results and improve efficiency. If you're serious about taking your business to the next level and staying competitive, Salesforce Einstein is a must-have tool that can transform your operations and customer interactions. Next up, we have HubSpot, a true powerhouse in the world of business tools designed to elevate your business operations. This all-in-one platform streamlines your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts, making your workflow more efficient and effective. HubSpot leverages AI to enhance your business processes with features like predictive lead scoring, helping you identify potential leads with greater accuracy. It automates your email campaigns, ensuring messages are delivered at the right time to the right people, maximizing engagement and conversion rates. HubSpot's intuitive CRM and powerful communication tools empower your sales team to nurture relationships and close deals with ease, fostering long-term customer loyalty. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, HubSpot has the tools you need to succeed, offering scalable solutions for businesses of all sizes. Embrace the power of an all-in-one platform built for growth and watch your business reach new heights. Now, let's talk about Zoho CRM, a platform that's been making waves for its innovative use of AI. Zoho CRM incorporates advanced analytics, sales predictions, and workflow automation. Meet Zia, the AI assistant that understands your needs, answers your questions, and predicts sales trends. Zoho CRM, with Zia, empowers you to build strong customer relationships and deliver personalized experiences. If you're looking for a CRM that helps you unlock the true potential of your customer data, Zoho CRM is the answer. Chapter 4. Hootsuite, your AI-powered social media command center. Managing multiple social media accounts can feel like a full-time job. Hootsuite takes the headache out of social media management with tools and insights you need to succeed. Effortlessly schedule posts across all platforms, ensuring a consistent online presence. Hootsuite's AI-powered features analyze your social media data and provide actionable insights. It offers content recommendations, ensuring you're always sharing fresh and relevant content. Unleash the power of AI and take your social media game to the next level. Chapter 5. Tableau, Unleash the power of your data with AI-driven visualizations. Tableau transforms complex data into stunning visuals that tell a story. Powered by AI, Tableau uncovers hidden patterns, identifies trends, and makes predictions. Ask Tableau a question in natural language, and it generates a visualization that provides the answer. Tableau's predictive analytics allow you to forecast future trends based on historical data. Unlock the true potential of your data and make more informed decisions with Tableau. Chapter 6. Slack. Boost team collaboration and productivity with AI-powered communication. Effective team collaboration is a necessity in today's fast-paced business world. Slack is an AI-powered collaboration hub that streamlines workflows and keeps your team connected. Smart notifications filter out the noise, ensuring you're only alerted about important messages. Automated workflows streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time. Slack provides a centralized platform for communication, file sharing, and collaboration. Transform your team's communication and take productivity to new heights with Slack. Chapter 7. Zero. Simplify your finances and make smarter business decisions with AI. Xero is an AI-powered accounting software that transforms the way businesses manage their finances. Say goodbye to tedious manual data entry and hello to automated invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Xero analyzes your financial data and provides valuable insights to drive profitability. Optimize your cash flow, identify areas for cost savings, and make strategic investments with Xero's AI-powered insights. Simplify your finances and gain deeper financial insights with Xero. Chapter 8. Gong. Unlock the secrets of successful sales conversations with AI. Gong is an AI-powered platform that revolutionizes the way sales teams analyze conversations. It records, transcribes, and analyzes every word spoken during sales calls. Gong's AI identifies patterns, insights, and coaching moments that would otherwise go unnoticed. Provide your sales team with a playbook for success based on real-world data. Unlock the secrets of successful sales conversations and empower your sales team with Gong. Chapter 9. Zoom. Elevate your virtual meetings with the power of AI. Zoom leverages AI to make virtual meetings more seamless, productive, and engaging. Real-time transcription provides an accurate and searchable transcript of every word spoken. Background noise suppression ensures meetings are free from distracting sounds. Zoom provides valuable meeting insights, such as engagement scores and participant sentiment analysis. Transform your virtual meetings from mundane to extraordinary with Zoom. Embrace the power of AI-enhanced video conferencing and experience a new level of connection and productivity. Chapter 10. Monday.com. Streamline project management and team collaboration with AI. Monday.com is an AI-powered project management platform that transforms the way teams collaborate. It provides a visually intuitive and customizable platform for managing tasks and tracking progress. Monday.com's AI-powered automation anticipates your needs and automates repetitive tasks. Valuable insights into your project's health empower you to make informed decisions and keep projects on track. Embrace the power of AI-driven project management with Monday.com. And there you have it, the top 10 AI tools for business in 2024. These tools are the future of business, making your operations more efficient, productive, and competitive. They automate tasks, provide valuable insights, and empower you to make smarter decisions. Start exploring these tools today and take your business to new heights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.